All right, the Hoffner Warmaster, brand new. Also new is the new box that I designed for it. Really excited about the box. Got the Hoffner Shield logo on it, which if you know the logo, the shield has a lot of meaning to it. If you don't know it, look into it. I'll be glad to tell you. Also, this really cool message on the bottom. This is who my knives are for, basically all my knives. This is for those who have a certain swagger in their step, who refuse to be tread upon and do not back down from challenge, but instead face it with vigor and gladness. For those who choose the uphill path, give life all they can muster and celebrate who they are while rising above the ordinary. For those who are self-reliant and understand that life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are for them alone to ensure. This is for those who achieve while daring greatly and would rather die on their feet than live on their knees, who appreciates that life itself is their opportunity to make the world and humanity just a little better in their stead. This is for those who dig it, do it, get it done, and own it. All right. So if you're that, yeah, you should have my damn knives. And you should have the Warmaster. All right, so you open up the box, and what do you see next? Well, a couple of more messages, and the Hoffner Creed. But you also see the zipper case that I designed. Very excited about this because, for one thing, it's got this belt strap on there, and you can wear it on your belt for your sunglasses. But right now, there's something very special in here besides your sunglasses. And that is, yeah, there it is, the Warmaster. All right. So the first thing you notice is this crazy ramp, this crazy thumb ramp that is also a thumb stud. Sorry, box. But you can thumb stud this knife. And of course, you can snap it like any other Hoffner folder. They're all built to snap. You got the index divots for your transitions. But it's a Tanto, modified Tanto point, and it's also my first frame lock. So look at that heavy, heavy frame. It's also a bearing drive. How sweet is that? Yeah. So, very industrial look to it. Ambidextrous clip, of course. The clip is, I designed, it's kind of cool. Shows the detail in there. And deep set. But I have milled clips coming for all my folders. Titanium, stainless, milled, carbon fiber even, that you can put on the folder as, you know, kind of an upgrade if you so desire. But still have the impact weapon edge, pain compliance. But again, if it goes south, you just snap it to lethal force. So really a beautiful, beautiful, full heavy duty folder. The MSRP on this bad boy is $250. But just look how you can get up on that with the jimping here and then the ramp. How you got all that work surface up there if you're leaning on it for whatever reason. So it's a D2 steel, by the way. I failed to mention that. So we can harden that a little bit harder than the super steel 440 chromium. We can get this to 5860. So D2 5860 stone wash black, which is an acid wash, so it's like an infusion to the steel. But I don't know, I just really dig it. I hope you dig it too, because she's a beauty.